Everybody, Eric Hendrickson giving the Mortgage Minute for the week of April 14th. Well, action-packed last week. Again, the tariff news dominated the marketplace. Interest rates and the stock market kind of bouncing all over the place. Really, at the end of the day, when you're trying to make sense of this all, it seems like there's kind of two scenarios that could possibly play out. First one being that the Trump administration sticks to their guns, is willing to deal with the short-term and intermediate-term pain as they really force companies to bring production back to the U.S. They stand firm on these much higher tariff levels, which again would create higher current interest rates, and also the fears for potential recession would be greater. The second scenario is it's more of a negotiating tactic where they talk really tough, but at the end of the day, they just want to reduce trade barriers, bring a reasonable amount of production back to the United States, but looking for more short-term and intermediate results. So certainly that second scenario would be much more helpful for mortgage rates as we sell mortgage bonds to get our money out on the international market. So a lower interest rate environment obviously helps us. So we're going to be watching very closely these negotiating tactics that go on. Looks like there's a little bit of flexing that's happened over the weekend where there's exemptions for smartphones. So again, pressure from various industries that are being impacted by these tariff fears will certainly be something that, there'll be pressure on the administration to make something happen quickly. On the inflation front, which normally dominates mortgage rates, we had great news last week. The Consumer Price Index and Producer Price Index both came in lower than expected, showing very positive results. Again, that kind of got set off to the side as they look at tariffs, but if there are some positive results with tariffs, I think you could see a quick rally in mortgage rates, pushing them lower because we do have the sound fundamentals going on with inflation currently. So, best we can say is stay tuned and buckle your seatbelt. It's going to be an interesting week.